DNA Replication by Wallace and Camden. Give us $20. DNA replication, the process of copying one double-stranded DNA molecule into two double-stranded DNA molecules. Anti-parallel orientation. This is when the 5' aligns with the 3' on the other strand. This means that the nucleotide at the 5 comes first, and then the nucleotide at the 3 comes last, which is the directionality of DNA, which is illustrated right there. The primer is the little bit of RNA that is at the bottom of the zipper that connects the single strands. Then the DNA helicase is an enzyme that unwinds the double helix by breaking the hydrogen bonds between the complementary bases. Smiley. This is Wallace drawing the... We're going to cut to something different for a second. This... is the DNA polymerase, and it's an enzyme that is in charge of forming new copies of DNA. Then this is us redrawing the zipper looking thing. That's the DNA polymerase right there, and that's the new DNA with the arrow pointed to it. Anyways, back to what we were saying. Here's the full drawing of the, replication process. On the top is leading strand, on the bottom is the lagging strand, which we're about to put some definitions for. The leading strand is the strand of DNA, which is synthesized in the same direction as the growing replication fork, and then the lagging strand is the strand of dotted DNA that is synthesized discontinuously in the DNA process and replication. Okay, so we're gonna just redraw what we just had. Before we put the definitions of leading and lagging, we're gonna redraw the process. These are the first and second primers. The primase adds the primers. This is the polymerase, which I know is the Pac-Man. It eats the nucleotides and adds them to the single strands to make them double strands. The Okazaki fragments are at the bottom, and they come in between the gaps of the primers. The Okazaki fragments are short sections of DNA formed at the time of discontinuous synthesis of the lagging strand. The DNA ligase is a type of enzyme that facilitates the joining of DNA strands by catalyzing the formation of a phosphodiester bond. And yeah, that's it.